Anyway, gusto niyo bang malaman kung ano yun? At siya ay isang marine biologist. Wow! Hanggang, alam niyo ba, ladies and gentlemen, nung kinausap ko siya, napakasimple niya. Oo, promise. Sabi ko, sir, hindi na, sir. Nakaka-amaze. So, nakaka-amaze pala kausap yung mga ganun na in Riwi kasi meron kami parang ranking. So, yung rank niya, nakaka-amaze kausap yung ganung level. Tapos, very simple. Hindi, ano na lang. Kasi maliit ako, matangkad siya eh. Pero nakaganda sa akin. Nakakatuwa, okay. To know him more, kailangan tatayo kayo ha. Para exercise na rin sa mga natutulog dyan. Gisingin ang mga natutulog na dugo. Tatayo kayo. Let's all welcome our Team Elite Pegasus, none other than Benjamin.
Okay, so tagal rin, no? Since I've been here, no? Again, I'm Team Elite Pegasus Benjamin Ke. No, I am not from here. I just came from Cagayan de Oro. No? So it's a pleasure to be here with you tonight. So, yeah, siguro, as we go along, I'll tell them my story. No? I'm a marine biologist. At the same time, I'm also with the insurance. I'm an MDRT in another company before. So ngayon full-time na ako with Riway. I had businesses. No, so you might wonder why I'm here. No, that's how good our product is. No, can we give that a big applause? No, a round of applause. Thank you very much. So anyway, before we end tonight, no, let me ask you something. How was the product presentation? Diba? Great. The testimonies. Oh, galing, no? Si, Sir Rodolfo, psoriasis, tapos stroke victim pa. Amazing, no? Naka-recover siya. Tapos ang bilis ng recovery. So it's really good. And did you learn something new tonight? Yes. Did you feel even just a little gratefulness? Are you grateful that you're here? Yes. That you've heard an information that could potentially help you, your family, and your friends. No? Pwede bang palakpakan natin yan? So because sometimes in life, the biggest blessings don't come loudly. No? Parang lang, silent. They come quietly in the form of awareness. So you're here and now you're aware. So tonight I challenge you. No, don't leave this room the same way you came in. No? Tonight I challenge you, don't leave this room the same way you came in. You start asking questions. No? Ano yung mga questions? Like for example, number one question, you ask about the product. Ano yung product? No? Ask about how it supports wellness and healing. Paano siya nakaka-heal? You also ask about the opportunity. No? Ask about what to do next. Yung mga ganun. But beyond those questions, yung mga tanong, there are deeper questions you need to ask yourself. Ano yun? Like for example, number one, why are you here? You ask yourself, why are you here? You could have, di ba? You could have left anytime. Quietly, no? No, ano na kayo? Umalis na kayo kanina pa. No, you could have left anytime. Quietly, no one would even notice, but you are here. You stay. No, I believe you are here for a reason. Diba? Yes. Maybe you are looking for better health. Maybe someone you love needs help. Maybe you are searching for answers, direction or opportunity. Siguro kanina sabi ni Ma'am Vilma, yung ating conductor, sabi niya, you might be here for help. Or maybe meron kayong problema sa bursitis daw. No, di ba? So maybe that's the reason why your friend, the one who invited you here. Tama? So the real question is not But the real question is not what you have learned tonight. Ano yung natutunan mo tonight? The real question is what will you do with this powerful information? Anong gagawin mo? You have heard something powerful. What will you do with this powerful information? What are you going to do with what you have learned? Because, powerful information is a blessing. Tama? It's a blessing. But only if something is done with it. Kasi pag, makikinig ko blessing, tapos lalabas na din sa kabilang tenga, it will not be, di ba? It will not be a blessing. So, let me ask you, will you ignore it? The information? Will you delay it? Or allow it to change something in your life? So that's the question. So my advice to you is take the product and experience the product. That's the only way to take the blessing. The best way to understand a blessing is to experience it. Tama? So when you feel its effect, pag na-feel mo, just like yung first testimony natin si ma'am, sa migraine niya, yung na-aksidente siya, and Riwi has helped her. Si Sir Rodolfo, psoriasis and stroke victim, they have felt the effect. And when you feel its effect, only then will you have the conviction to share and convince others to take it too. Tama? That's the only way. You cannot give what you do not have. So, what are the questions we need to ask? Siguro third is, when should you start taking the product? When should you start taking the product? You will always say, I am healthy, okay naman ako, wala naman akong problema. Do we wait until problems become serious before we act? Do we wait until problems become serious before we act? No, di ba? Of course not. Yung story I was reflecting yung story ni Sir Rodolfo. The lesson is not how good the product is actually. The lesson is, if you have, meron kang sakit, you could have prevented it. He had psoriasis, he took the product, pero anong nangyari? After a few years, stroke. So, prevention is always better than you could prevent it. I mean, kung meron ka ng problema, the 6 months therapy are for healthy people. But if you have something na health problem, kailangan mo talaga, you have to take it regularly na. Especially kung may stroke ka, cancer, diabetes, that's you need to take it now. The best way to understand a blessing is to experience it, right? Because a blessing is not a blessing unless you receive it and live with it. Live it. Take the product. Take care of your health early.